Hello and welcome. My name's Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind The Country Chic Cottage. So I get asked all the time how to organize your SVG files. I hear from you and you're having a hard time. You download a bunch of SVGs, then you have a hard time finding them, remembering the ones you purchased so you don't purchase them again, or remembering the ones you purchased so you don't purchase something similar again in the future. So I just have to be honest. I don't have a great method for organizing my SVG files. I'm actually pretty horrible at it. What I do have is a friend that does know how to organize SVG files. So I thought I would introduce you today to Cut File Cleanup by my friend Corey George from Hey Let's Make Stuff. So what I thought we would do is just take a look at the computer. I have access to the course that she has on how to organize your SVG files. We'll take a look at what you get with the course, what's inside the course, and then you can decide whether or not this is the course for you to finally help you get out from under all those files and get them organized into a system that works for you. So let's take a look. So let's take a look at Cut File Cleanup. So what's all included with your Cut File Cleanup purchase? So you get a video all about the Cut File Cleanup method, walks you through everything. You get a magic file that is the organizational file system that you'll use. You just kind of start dragging and dropping your files into place. There's a resource key where you can keep track of your cut file, the designers you've used, and that type of thing. A quick reference guide so that you know how to use the system at any point and can quickly reference that. 12 commercial use cut files. And a bonus resource guide with a ton of links to high quality, free and paid designers and marketplaces. Now, I have access to this, have looked at it, and wanted to show you a little bit behind the scenes of what it looks like once you enroll. All right, so once you have access, it's on Teachable, you have access to the course, you just click the course, and then it walks you through the method. So the first thing is the video that walks you through the Cut File Cleanup method. Then you can download the slides if you would like, that magic file I talked about, the resource acronym key, the quick reference guide, the cut files with the commercial license, and the cut file resource guide. So let's take a look at that video. So there's a less than 20-minute video explaining how to use the system, how to get it started, and how to start cleaning up your cut files right away, right out of the gate. Now, what does that magic file look like? So this is all great. I really want to get my cut files cleaned up, but what exactly is the magic file? So I have a little bit of a sneak peek for you inside that magic file system. So here's a little bit of a sneak peek. So what you get is a file and you'll be able to just start dragging and dropping, and it has levels is what I would say. So from travel, you would get all of these different files, and then you could start dragging and dropping your files in. So travel beach would contain these beach files. Maybe travel camping, and you would put all your camping files in there, if that makes sense. And this type of system is on all of these files. So if you click on nature, you get all kinds of subfolders where you can organize your cut files. So now that makes it super easy to find anything you want. Now, what I really like about this is this top folder, licenses. Yes, you get a folder just for those licenses so you can keep track of those. That is the most trouble I have personally. I download something, I have that SVG file, and who knows where, I have to search for where it is, but I don't ever keep track of those licenses, where they are, and what licenses I have with what SVG. So I really believe this will help me do that. Not only track my SVG files, which I have, which I don't have, so I don't download them again, but as well as track those licenses so I know what license I have for which file. So all you do is once you've watched the Cut File Cleanup course, you download that magic file, drag and drop it to your computer, and you can start using it right away to drag and drop your files and licenses into place. So the download is super simple. You just click the button, download that zip file, and you have the magic file that you can drag and drop onto your computer. And then all that's left to do is for you to start organizing your SVGs and get a little more organized with your crafting. So that is cut file cleanup. If you like this, think you might want to check it out some more, I have an affiliate link for the course in the description for this video. So just head down there, click the link, you can read more about the course, then you can come back here, ask me any questions you have. Just drop down in the comment section, ask away. Now, if this video helped you, if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, head on over to our YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. We have videos like this every week and you don't want to miss any of those. So thank y'all for joining me and I hope this helps you get organized with your SVG files. Thanks y'all, bye-bye.